Hi friends, welcome to Pharma.Job.Alert YouTube channel. Today's video is Dr.Reddys Laboratories. Before the video, please like our video so that it can reach to other viewers who are looking for jobs. Please like it. Let us see complete details in this video. This is full-time job opportunity. Career Expo at Hyderabad, Injectable Manufacturing, Packing, Engineering and IPQA positions, and work location is Visakhapatnam. These walk-in are conducted at 25th August 2024 Sunday and time is 10 AM onwards. You can see walk-in for position is Injectable Production, Manufacturing, Packing, Engineering, and qualification is Diploma, BTech, Engineering, minimum 60% as a marks, and experience is 2 to 8 years of experience, and job description is expertise in handling, filling, operations of PFS, cartridges, B+S liquid, vial, compounding, aseptic, and expertise in handling packing line and end-to-end operations and experience in any of the maintained equipment, and must have exposure in handling of process area maintenance like manufacturing vessels, filling machine, autoclave, isolators, and automation engineering with hand experience in manufacturing and filling area. And venue is Dr.Reddys Laboratories Leadership Academy, Bachpalli, Hyderabad. And interested candidates can register to via QR scan code or click the link. Please refer description box for link. For more job updates, please join our WhatsApp group. Our WhatsApp group link is available in description box below. These are the details regarding walk-in interview. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family members. Thank you for watching this video, job updates. Subscribe to YouTube channel Pharma.Job.Alert. Bye. See you in the next video.